Set muna, set. Pala ka muna, set. Tingnan mo natin laro. Tapos defense baba agad, walang different tira. Walang different tira. Running game, walang different tira. Pagka dead ball set up, pala ka kung ano play.
Sumablade na.
First lang yan, first lang. Sumablade. Running game tayo, running game. Walang drop. Walang sampo.
Alright, anong team yan, Idol? One. Alright, hello mga ka-warriors, mag-starting laro, first game, UP Tiknoha versus IQ 1. So, ayan mga ka-warriors, si Coach.
Number 24 may hawak ang ball. Number 24 mas number 10. Isinulas may number 10. Number 10 may hawak ang ball. Pass to number 81. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 30. Number 30 may hawak ang ball. Number 30. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 25. Pass to number 11 yung winner.
Kita yun
Number 24 may tama ng ball. Number 24, pass to number 10. Number 10, huli ka. Outside, save ball. Number 10, pass to number 21. Pass to number 24, pass to number 10. Wow! Wala! Number 9, easy to pass may number 9. Number 25 may tama ng ball. Pass to number 13. Number 13 may tama ng ball. Number 13, set the 3. 10 seconds, shut up. Pumila na naman ang rest. Wala, Ribani. Foul. Number 21. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 13 may hawak ang ball. Number 13. Pass to number 25. Number 25 walang saka huli. Wala number 9. Andito na yung number 4. Number 24 ang bilis. Huli. Number 30 may tawa ng bola. Number 30 pass to number 11. Number 11 huli ka na naman. Nakuha na number 24. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 21. Easy point. May kasama pang foul. Football red. Number 12. Number 16. First personal foul. First team foul. Last row.
Ito na yan.
Counted ang last row ni Hill. Wow. Number 30 may tawa ang bola. Number 13, set the play. Ayan na. Elevator. Outside. Green ball. Number 24 may hawak ang bola. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 10. Number 10 tumalak sa wala rebound ni number 81. Number 81 bigay ni number 25. Number 25 tumalak sa huli. Same ball. White ball. Number 11. Nasa 16. Number 16. Easy to pass by number 16. Number 21. Pass to number 25. Easy to pass by number 25. Natanggalan ng sapatos. Number 16. Number 13. Number 13 pass to number 11 at ang ng Tabatos. Number 25. 10 shot up. 4-3 wala rebound ni number 13. Foul. Goal for red. Number 19. Personal foul. Second. Team foul. Number 13 may hawak ang bola. Number 13 set the play. Number 13 set the play. Miss Pinan. Number 13 wow! Easy to focus by number 13. Number 30 ko. Pass to number 21. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 9. Easy to focus by number 9. Online ang score. Number 13 nagbababa ng bola. Number 13 sa play ulit. Set the play. Number 10. 10 sa isa at tumira na 3. Wala rebound. Number 10. Number 10 may hawak ang bola. Number 10. Number 10 sumalaksak. Wala rebound. Number 18. Wala rin. Rebound outside. Same ball. Bola lang ICO 1.
Tingin!
Number 24, may lalabas sa bola, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 18. 10 sa isa na. Number 24.
Travel. Uy.
Blocking foul by number 81. First personal foul, second. Team foul. Number 10, pass to number 24. Tumira ng 3. Wala rin outside. White ball.
Time out.
Running time po tayo, kahit time out, kahit Petro, naganap ang
Ang dami yung foul. Wala pa kayong foul.
Number 30 may hawak ang bola. Pass number 25 tumira na 3. Wala rin mo nini. Push ball rin. Number 81. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Number 21 pass to number 24. Pass to number 21 ulit. Huli ka. Huli ka ni number 16. Pass to number 13 ulit. Number 13 set the play. Number 13 pass to number 11. Umatras tumira na 3. Wala. Push ball rin. Number 1. Basket count 3 points. Ball possession ng Green. Number 1 may hawak bola. Huli nga ni number 25. Pinalusot pa. What the man? Pass number 13. Institutions with number 13. Number 21. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 11. Out of bounds. White ball. MCPD, upo kayo sa bench. Upo. White team, upo sa bench. Upo. White team, upo. Number 2, wow! Why number 1? Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 24. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Isinungkat sa number 21. Then full post up. Number 30 may hawak ang bola. Number 30. 59 seconds. number 25. Pass to number 11. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound ni number 81. Easy to hold by number 81. Number 18. Pass to number 21. Number 21. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 1. 34 seconds. Number 24. May tamang bola. Pass to number 21. 10 seconds shot na. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound ni number 16. Pass to number 81.
Bagal!
Number 25. Number 25 umarang kada. Easy to hold by number 25. Number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Foul. Number 11. First personal foul. Warning. For penalty. End of the first quarter.
Walang gitu.
White. Second quarter na po ito, ha? Last quarter. White ball.
Score natin 18-11 in favor of UPH Techno Hub. White ball.
Number 13 may mga bola. Number 13. Number 13. 58 seconds shot out. 10 seconds shot out. Number 13 set na play. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Bingo. Ang bilis. Number 13. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 13. 15 seconds shot out. 10 seconds shot out. Number 22. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 25. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound number 13. Number 13. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Pass to number 13. Pass to number 25. Number 25. Sumalak sa pinasa na number 2. Number 2. Napakabilis. Tapos number 10. Padulas. Traveling violation. Number 13. May hawak ng bola. Number 13. Number 13. 8 seconds shot out. 8 seconds shot out. Foul. Number 13. First personal foul. First team foul. Substitution direct.
Puta.
Number 8 na ang bola. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 21. Tumira na tres. Wala. Rebound ni number 32. Number 22. Number 32 may 30 niya ang bola. Number 13. Pass to
High
number
post.
25. Number 25. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 25. Outside. Green ball. Base for na white.
Guys, paupo.
Base for na white. Number 2 may awang bola. Number 2 sumalang sa foul. Number 17 ng white.
Tabi, upo lang kayo dyan.
First personal foul. Second. Team foul. First roll in number 2. Substitution ready.
Idol.
Last throw ready to jump and ready to follow up. Mounted up.
Dito tayo nagtira.
Last throw ni number 2. Number 25. Number 25. Running violation pala ang tawag ng referee. Mali lang yung forfeiting.
Paano magkano ito? Tatlo na to ah.
Number 2, may hawak ball. Number 2, pass to number 8.
Line ball!
Foul. Number 1. First personal foul. 13 foul.
Line ball, oh, hindi nakita.
Number 2, may hawak ball. Number 2, pass to number 8. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Wala. Iboni. Outside. Ball na. ITO2. Ay, out. 1 pala. 1. Nahuli. Nahuli ni number 25. Pass to number 21. May hawak bola. Nahuli naman. Nahuli number 1. Pass to number 17. Wow. Wala. Rebound ni number 17. Easy to move na number 17. Number 10 may hawak bola. Number 10. Number 8. Foul. Number 1. Sige, personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution tayo. Substitution. Number 28, sumalaksa. Wala, ikaw number 25. Number 25. 4 minutes and 30
Orasan.
seconds. Number 25, may hawak ang bola. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 25, tumira na 3. Wala, rebound ni number 28. Number 28, pass to number 1. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 21. Number 21 may hawak ang bola. Tumira na 3 for 3 points by number 21. Number 1 may hawak ang bola. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 25. Grabe yung violation. Substitution direct. Green ball. Green ball.
Drop, drop, Ray, drop! Laga!
Number 9 may hawak ang bola. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 21. Under 91 tumira na 3. Wala, rebound ni number 1. Number 1 may hawak ang bola. Number 1. Number 1 ang bababa ng bola.
Upo kayo dyan.
Outside. Substitution direct. South. Time out. Right team. Running time po yan. 2 minutes stop time. Kahit na makito ko yung running time.
Luto yung laro natin, ha?
Traffic pa rin tayo, traffic.
Hindi, running time yan.
Iniinto mo eh. Stop time tayo, 2 minutes. Stop time.
Foul. Number 11. Penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Tatlo lang penalty. Di wala po.
Oras natin, 2 minutes and 24 seconds, 2016. Favor of UP Techno Hub.
Out there. Number 25 may hawak ang bola. Number 25. Pass to number 16. Number 16 pass to number 25. Number 25. 15 siya isa na. Foul. Who's ball red? Number 16. First personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul.
Hoy! Ano ba?
Stop time nga tayo 2 minutes, boss. Last quarter na to. Last quarter, boss. 2 minutes, stop time.
Number 81, sumalaksak sa ECU. Number 18, pass to number 21. Pass to number 24. Sumalaksak ECU Turcos with number 24. Number 18, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass to number 13. Number 13. Number 13, nahuli! 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 Number 10, wala rin mo niya number 24, easy to score. 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Foul. Number 21. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Green ball. Green team.
Tinitingnan nyo lang. Wala kasi screen eh. Bigyan nyo lang screen ito kasi bigyan makatawid.
The next game po, second quarter, 2 minutes, stop time po tayo. Number 11 by ang bola. Number 11, nahuli. Wala number 35. Number 35 wala nahuli ka. Number 34. Number 34 na ang bola. Number 24. Wala rin ko number 11. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13 pass to number outside. 44 seconds.
Ano nangyari doon?
Upo tayo! Upo tayo! Ay, iiwan! Huli ka! Number 25 na outside! Bola ng white!
Sabare!
41 seconds, 81. Number 81, pass to number 13. Number 13. Number 13 may hawak ang bola. 10 seconds shot na. Number 35. 5 seconds shot na. Tumira ng tres. Wala rebound ni number 11. Foul. Number 24. Warning. 4 penalty. Warning pa lang po. Wala na po tayo kanta.
Score natin. Last.
Outside. 12 seconds. 12 seconds. White team pa rin. 11 seconds. 11 seconds.
Hawak bola, hawak! Hawak bola, hawak!
Foul. Number 21. Third personal foul penalty.
Law!
Last throw. Ready to jump and ready to run. Okay. Lamang ng dalawa. Number 18. Number 18. 5 seconds. 4 seconds.
Guys. Kaya, hindi sila manalo.
Lamang ilang nilalawa.
Game na?
Score natin.
Game na?